Once upon a time, there were two individuals, Ivo and Robert, both aspiring to achieve wealth and live their dream lives. However, their approaches to achieving this goal were quite different. Ivo was the type of person who always looked for shortcuts and quick fixes. He believed that luck would play a significant role in his journey to wealth. On the other hand, Robert had a different mindset. He believed in hard work, perseverance, and continuous learning. He was willing to put in the effort and try different things to reach his financial goals. After a few years, something interesting happened. Ivo won a substantial lottery jackpot, and Robert decided to open his own business venture. Both of them achieved their dream lifestyles: fancy cars, beautiful homes, and a life that many would envy. However, as time went by, Ivo's financial situation started to deteriorate. Despite his initial windfall, he found himself facing financial difficulties and gradually losing his wealth. In contrast, Robert continued to thrive and maintain his financial success. So, why did this happen? The answer lies in their mindsets. Wealthy people are not wealthy simply because they're lucky. They've achieved their financial success because they invested in themselves, worked hard, and developed the right mindset over time. One of the key differences between Ivo and Robert was their approach to self-improvement. Robert understood that the path to wealth required continuous learning and personal development. He knew that accumulating and maintaining wealth was a journey that demanded effort and a commitment to growth. This brings us to an essential point: investing in yourself. Wealthy individuals are avid learners. They understand that the only way to become and stay wealthy is by constantly improving themselves. They read books, attend seminars, seek mentorship, and adapt to changing circumstances. In essence, they invest in their knowledge, skills, and mindset, which ultimately leads to long-term financial success. In the end, you have one life. The last thing you'd want is to be lying on your deathbed feeling regrets for not following your dreams. Be courageous enough to follow them right now and put in the investment. Don't waste money to impress others. There's a valuable lesson that many wealthy and successful people understand very well. They don't spend their time and money trying to impress others. It might sound a bit counterintuitive, but it's true. Instead of constantly worrying about what others think of them, they focus on what truly matters to them, like accumulating wealth and achieving their goals. Take Mark Zuckerberg, for example. Now, Mark is known for something interesting when it comes to his wardrobe. He pretty much wears the same thing every day: a gray t-shirt and jeans. He doesn't dress to impress anyone. He's not trying to show off his wealth or status through his clothing choices. Instead, he's focused on his work and his goals. The idea here is that many wealthy individuals understand that they're not in a race to outdo others in terms of material possessions or appearances. They know they've achieved a level of success, and they don't need to prove anything to anyone. In fact, some of them wouldn't have become wealthy in the first place if they had spent their hard-earned money on expensive things just to keep up with others. Authors like Thomas Stanley and William Danko, in their book, The Millionaire Next Door, shared some valuable insights. They found that one of the secrets of the country's richest people is that they live below their means. That means they don't spend every penny they have just to look rich. Instead, they save and invest their money wisely. Train your brain first. Have you ever wondered why wealthy people are so positive in their lives and why they have such strong belief in themselves? It's because they have experienced success, and their brains have learned that they are capable of achieving it. Changing your mindset related to money is crucial. It's all about how you think about money. If you believe that earning money is difficult, you'll likely struggle to become wealthy or manifest money. As Dr. Joe Dispenza has said, the brain is one of the most powerful tools in the world. If you want to achieve anything in life, you must first train your mind. I would highly urge you to try this approach first and then implement other steps. It's all about repetition. You need to repeatedly train your brain. For example, if you want to reprogram your subconscious mind to believe that making money is easy, you must repeat this belief again and again. However, it can't be done overnight. It requires patience. You may not see immediate results, but you need to keep going. Salary isn't the whole story. You see, when it comes to building wealth, your salary is just one piece of the puzzle. Climbing the corporate ladder and earning a higher salary is great, but there's a limit to how far that can take you. At some point, you reach a plateau where your salary growth slows down. Now, here's where things get interesting. The truly wealthy individuals understand that to grow their wealth, they need to make their money work for them, not the other way around. So, how do you make your money work for you? Well, it's all about generating income from passive sources rather than relying solely on your active income from your job. Passive income is like the secret sauce of wealth building. It's the money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. Never put your all eggs in one basket. Diversifying income sources can provide a more stable financial foundation. Wealthy people often invest in different assets and businesses to generate multiple streams of income. This approach ensures that even if one source of income declines, they can rely on others for financial stability. Write. Documenting your goals and aspirations is a practice that sets apart the highly successful from the average individual. It plays a pivotal role in achieving not only success but also financial wealth. Thomas Corley, the author of Rich Habits: The Daily Success Habits of Wealthy Individuals, conducted a revealing study, which discovered that 67% of wealthy individuals make it a habit to write down their goals. Even more impressively, 81% of them maintain a to-do list. Putting your dreams on paper offers several key advantages. Firstly, it brings clarity to your aspirations, helping you to define precisely what you want to achieve. This clarity, in turn, fuels your commitment because you've taken the time to articulate your goals. Secondly, it creates a sense of accountability. When your goals are written down, they become tangible reminders of your commitment, motivating you to follow through on your plans. Lastly, this practice enables you to focus and prioritize your efforts, much like setting a course for your success. With a clear map in hand, you're better equipped to navigate the journey toward financial prosperity. So, why wait? Grab a pen and start scripting your path to wealth today. Time is much more valuable than money. Time is more precious than money because you can't buy more time, but you can use your time to earn money. You can lose all your money and get it back, but you can't regain lost time. We can't make extra hours in a day or add more years to our lives. When you think of your happiest memories, they're often about moments with loved ones, not things you bought. Time gives us memories that we can treasure, and money can help, but it's not the main focus. Money's value changes, but time is priceless and free. Many of us feel like we never have enough time, and we spend a lot of it earning money. But what's the point of having money if we don't have time to enjoy it? It's about balance. Rich people know how to use their time wisely. They set aside specific hours for work and hours for relaxation. They wake up early to start day earlier and to get extra hours for themselves. It's never too late to set money goals and work on them. You have time right now, so use time management techniques to make progress, starting with small steps that add up over time. In the end, time is our most valuable asset, and it deserves our attention and care.
So, if you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching.